Today on Do It with Darryl, we'll be making the most game-changing smoked hot wings you'll ever have. Honestly, these will be the big ticket item at any tailgate party or Super Bowl event. Let's get started. We're gonna start our wings with a simple brine preparation. This is something you can prep the day before, and it is so worth it. Brining will give our wings the most tender and juicy flavor, and a nice crisp skin. First, let's get our dry ingredients together. We want half a cup of kosher salt and 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Now, 1 tablespoon of black peppercorns. Next, half a teaspoon of smoked paprika. This adds a nice depth of flavor and a pop of color. Now, a half a teaspoon each of granulated garlic, onion powder, and cumin. Let's add our liquid ingredients. So first, we're gonna add 2 cups of water. Make sure it's as cold as you can get it. Next, we want 2 tablespoons of pickle juice. Lime juice also works well. Finally, we're gonna add about 24 ounces of your favorite ice-cold craft beer. We made this Hellas lager a couple months ago, and it is so good. We'll have a full Brew Day episode coming out in the next few weeks, so stay tuned. Okay, so we have 2 pounds of chicken wings here, and what we want to do is pour the brine so that they're fully submerged. You can use a small plate to help weigh them down if you want. Now we'll cover them in plastic wrap and into the refrigerator. So we've just taken our wings out of the refrigerator after being brined overnight, and you want to make sure that you dry the wings off really well with paper towel. I've got our Bradley smoker here set to 240 degrees Fahrenheit. Now today we're going to be using the cherry wood puck, but honestly, any of the fruit woods are a great option. I absolutely love the pecan as well. We're gonna start laying these out on the smoking tray. It's best if you leave some space around the wings and make sure they're not overlapping. We're just about at temp, so we're gonna get the puck started. Perfect. Awesome. Once you can see the smoke appearing in the top vent, we know it's time to get the wings in. We're gonna smoke these for about an hour, maybe a little longer. We want to get a really nice, deep smoke flavor. There we go. Now that the wings are smoking, let's get started on the sauce. I'm gonna add a cup of butter into our saucepan, and then I'm gonna add half a cup of Frank's Red Hot Sauce.
It's gonna be so good. Get the extra. There we go. We'll set this on a medium to low heat to get the butter melting. Keep stirring and keep a close eye out on the heat.
Now that the butter's melted, I'm gonna crumble about 3 ounces right into the pot. This is gonna be so good. Oh, look at that blue cheese. Big chunk. That stirred. You want to make sure to stir this until the blue cheese is fully incorporated in the sauce. It's got to be fully melted. It looks melted, so we'll just put the lid on it and set it aside.
Now, let's get our oil started. For this size pot, I've added about 3 quarts of vegetable oil. And we want to get it to 350 degrees and stabilize it. While this is heating up, I just wanted to say thanks to our sponsor, Precision Sales. They have been a great supporter of sailing YouTube channels, and I am so thankful to be working with them today. Okay, it's looking just about perfect. It's time to get our wings out. Oh, I am so excited. These have been in the smoker for about an hour and 15 minutes. You want to do these in small batches when you're deep frying because you want to keep the oil temperature consistent. Here they go. Eye on this.
Last one's in there.
Okay, the last batch is going in. This should only take about 3 to 4 minutes. Let's get these out. They're looking perfect. Then I'm gonna dress them with our Frank's blue cheese sauce. Look at that. How good do those look? Oh man, I gotta try one of these. They smell so good. Oh my God, Darryl. These are insane. Well, I think I might embarrass myself here shortly, so I'll see you next time on Do It with Darryl.